Welcome to another home economics class online. Today you're going to be making Anzac biscuits. Begin by preheating your oven. A link to the recipe is below. You will need the following ingredients to make approximately 12 Anzac biscuits. Half a cup of wholemeal flour, half a cup of rolled oats, a quarter of a cup of sugar, a quarter of a cup of butter, half a teaspoon of bicarb soda, 1 tablespoon of golden syrup, and a quarter of a cup of coconut. Measure out all your ingredients before you get started. Now you will need the following equipment: a cooling rack, an oven tray, a saucepan, either a spatula or a wooden spoon, measuring spoons, and measuring cups. A mixing bowl and sifter. Okay, let's get cooking. Begin by adding the flour to the sifter and hold the sifter up high. This is to allow air, and gently tap the side of the sifter. Then add the bran flakes to the mixture. Add the sugar. Now add the coconut. Add the rolled oats. And just gently stir to combine everything together. Now you're going to combine the wet ingredients. So in a saucepan, add the butter and melt over a low heat. Keep stirring the butter. It will only take a minute or two. Now we're going to add the golden syrup. And stir just to combine. So when everything is combined, remove the saucepan from the heat. Now in a jug, add the half a teaspoon of bicarb soda. Now add 1 tablespoon of boiling water to that and mix a little bit with a small spoon. And now add the mixture to the saucepan. The mixture should froth up as shown. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry, like this. Stir everything together to combine. And just take small spoon amounts and roll them into little balls. Place it on the baking tray, and you can flatten with the back of a spoon or with your fingers and shape it into biscuits. Repeat this process until you've used up all the mixture, making sure that you leave a space between the biscuits to allow for them for expansion. Then bake for approximately 15 minutes and enjoy. You've been watching Home Echo Online, and this is Mrs. Sharp Tetley.